Hey guys, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Sam Republic and welcome back to another video. I have got a little unboxing for you guys. This is basically a new addition to my sneaker collection and I'm so happy that I made this purchase because I have been wanting Jordan 4s for the longest time and you won't believe which one I got. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Saint Republic and welcome to the same gang. I basically do sneaker reviews, beauty, and a little bit of chit chat. Okay, really excited to have you on board. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel because why would you want to miss part of being on the same gang? And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, Saint. Loved you, I miss you. Let's get into this video without further ado.
Whatever you do, just stay true and show passion. When you talk, be precise.
I took a flight for the paddock. You said, be oh so dramatic. I can't. Anything you want, boy, forget it. You just make me feel so. I took a chance and you grabbed it.
Hey, so guys, this is my new baby. Okay, this is a birthday present from me to me. Okay, this is my you've worked so hard, you deserve the shoe. Like nobody can tell you nothing shoe. I spent a lot on this, but it was worth every penny. Worth every penny. So as we open this box, or the interior of this box, it literally has a Thunder dust bag. And I am super obsessed. Look at this. And then I got it from Shelf Life, of course, right? Super cute. The quality of the dust bag, nice, really nice. I must say I'm so proud of myself. Also shout out to my friend Ray for getting me, not really getting me, but plugging me for doing the things that needed to be done because it was so last minute. Shout out to you, right? I'm not gonna tell you how much this costs. You guys can Google it. Let me know in the comment section down below how much this shoe costs. I do not purchase resale price, okay? So let me just take out the slip. Okay, so when you get the shoe, basically when I got the shoe, it came in with the Shelf Life sneaker. Shout out to Shelf Life sneaker. I love these stickers. This is great marketing, by the way. Okay, obviously your Nike authentic card. Oh guys, my baby, my holy grail. I need to get a glass box for this box and for the shoe, and I need to tape the undersole of the shoe because when I walk in these shoes, people must know. You must know. This one. We're gonna. I don't believe you guys are ready for this. I don't know. Look, it's taken me a while to accept and take in that I got the shoe. Okay, and you guys can see on the box that it has like a bit of a shimmer, glittery type of matte and gloss finish. Oh. Let's get into the Jordan 4 Thunders. This is the second release of the Thunders since 2012. Okay, you got your Jumpman at the back. You got your Jumpman in front. Okay, you have got the suede. You have got the suede on the outer and here, and you have the rubber. So right, you get into the bottom of the shoe, right? Then you got your Jumpman at the bottom. I've never worn these shoes since I got it. Okay, I don't plan on wearing them anytime soon. I'm probably gonna rock this next year. And then you got the Jumpman on the inside of the shoe. Air Jordan. Is this supposed to be upside down? Anyways, we're not taking out the other shoe because we don't need to. So we're welcoming my baby to the family. Okay, these are Thunders. Say hi to Thunder. Okay, Thunder is a part of my family. My very first, okay, not my very first Jordan. My first Jordan are the Jordan 1s. Those are my first Jordans. But these are my very first pairs of Jordan 4s. And I really want to get 2 more pairs, hopefully by the end of this year or within the next year. And guys, I'm going in for the best of the best Jordans, the type of Jordans that if the resale market goes up, these shoes go in value. Okay, there were a lot of releases of this pair that got out because I know Limcus had a pair. Limcus had about, what, 40 pairs if I'm not mistaken. Shelf Life also had quite a lot of pairs because that raffle was very long, very long. Okay, Shelf Life also had a lot of pairs. It does retail for around 6,000 rands at the current moment. It probably will increase in value over the next couple of months. And you guys can check this out. You can get this at Story if you're looking for a pair, and other original sneakers, because we only promote original sneakers and we don't buy from fake stores here. Okay, so you can see that the shoe has stars in front, right? And then it has your little zigzags. Coming to the bottom of the shoe, you have your Jumpman, right? Literal details of the shoe. Then you come on the side of the shoe, you have your bubble. All your Jordan 4s should have a bubble, right? You have your bubble. Then you've got your suede material over here. You've got your Jumpman at the back in white. And the shoe. And I love that the shoe, and then you've got your little net material and in front and in front. And I really love that the shoe, right, it's a little heavy. It's a little heavy. It's got a little bit of weight to it, as it should, right? It's got a little bit of weight to it. It's not light. It shouldn't be light. If your shoe is light, you must be very worried, especially your Jordans. If it's light, you must be worried. It's got a little bit of weight to it, which is good. And then also, let's not forget that it has flight over here. Okay, it has flight because it's Thunder, baby. It's Thunder. I want to get my hands on Jordan Reds if it is possible, if they're gonna have another release, but we'll have to see in what other Jordans are coming this year. I'm pretty sure that we're gonna get more releases coming in August and September, so I gotta save my coin for another Jordan. I was unable to get the Nike Vapor Maxes that came out recently. First of all, they were way too expensive, but I should have gotten it, but I didn't because my old Vapor Maxes are beat up. But I'm trying to collect valuables over here. Valuables. So yeah, these are my babies, and I'm really excited to have this part of my sneaker collection. I'm just gonna walk through you guys what I use to clean my sneakers and how easy it is to clean your sneakers on hand. I used to have somebody that used to clean my sneakers. Okay, great. So let's get into sneaker cleaners. I use force field to clean my shoes, right? This is an athletic shoe cleaner. This gets the dirt and the grime out of my shoes, specifically for my white shoes, but all your shoes need to be cleaned, all of it. Clean your shoes, right? And then it came with a brush. It came with a brush, and then this side is the hard side and this side is the soft side, right? So this is basically on the sole, outer sole of your shoe at the bottom to clean the hard stubborn stains, and then this is for the soft part of your shoe to get rid of those stubborn stains without having to damage the material on your shoes. Guys, it's very important that you try not to damage the material of your shoes when using a hard brush and a soft brush. And if you don't have this, you can always buy a separate hard brush and a separate soft brush. Okay, very important. Get a sneaker cleaner or find somebody that can clean your shoes properly without having to damage your sneakers. Okay, this video is not sponsored. It's not sponsored. I'm just showing you guys what I use. Force field. Okay, next I have Leather Care, and this is from Sneaker Lab. Sneaker Lab has really great cleaning products for their shoes as well. They should also, I think they also have sneaker cleaners, but this is a Leather Care because I do have shoes that are made of leather. Okay, and those are my Jordan 1s and my my Dunks, and then I also clean my Adidas, basically just to take care of the leather. This is after you have cleaned your shoes are dry. Okay, and this retailed for like 89 bucks. I had a promo at the time, so I got it for quite cheap. I 100% suggest that you get these. Okay, sneaker wipes. Sneaker Lab sells these and they cost about 100 bucks for a packet of like 12. Is it 12? Yeah, 12 individually packed, right? They also are eco-friendly. Sneaker Lab, if you're watching this video, sponsor me. They also are very eco-friendly, and they clean, they care, and it protects. Okay, clean, care, and protects. The packaging is really nice, and it really does clean your shoes. Okay, I will link a video of where I show you guys how I cleaned my Jordan 1s with these, and then this is how the packets come basically individually, right? You should really get your hands on these always whenever you're out. If you like your sneakers looking on par all the time, and you like looking clean with your shoes all the time, especially your good shoes, make sure that you get your hands on these. If you don't have the money to clean your shoes with these guys, make sure that you're using a detergent that is not harsh and that won't stain your shoes. I beg, do not use bleach to clean your shoes. Do not use bleach to clean your sneakers, please. Okay, yeah, those is what I use to basically clean and maintain my sneakers when I wear them, after I wear them, and when they get really dirty and they just need to go through some deep cleaning. Okay, and basically to keep the integrity of my shoe. And yeah, that is the end of this video. It's really short. I just wanted to show you guys and share with you guys what I was able to get for myself as an early birthday gift, very early in the year, but very much well deserved. All right, early birthday gift, and hopefully, crossing my fingers and my toes and my thumbs and the rest of everything else, that I get another Jordan 4 that I can review to you guys and that I will be able to purchase. If you do want to see like sneaker updates and stuff like that, there are various pages that you can follow to see for sneaker updates, when sneakers are coming out. I specifically follow Shelf Life and Archive just for the exclusive sneakers, because they sell these sneakers at retail price. I'm not a reseller yet, and I'm not gonna buy a shoe resale. Okay, I'm not gonna buy a shoe resale price, and I'm definitely not buying fakes. So I either have it or I don't. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. like, comment, subscribe, turn on my notifications to get notified whenever I post, because why would you want to miss my posts? I will be posting a lot more often than usual.